welcome to Deal Unboxing. This is Eufy's new Floodlight Cam E340. This is part of Eufy's new security product lineup, and we have recently reviewed their Solo Cam S340, which was an outstanding solar security camera. So Floodlight Cam E340 as good as Solo Cam S340? Let's find out. First, let's do a quick unboxing. In the box, we have Floodlight Cam E340, a USB cable, installation and mounting kit, an installation and setup guide. Now let's look at the specs. The E340 is a dual lens PTZ security camera. Wide lens has 3K resolution, telephoto lens has 2K resolution, it has an SD card slot which can accept up to 128GB SD card, wide PR motion sensor, dual band Wi-Fi 6, no monthly fee and 24/7 recording. It has 135-degree field of view, it has a hybrid 8x zoom plus 3 IR LEDs, it has 2 movable panel floodlight with 2000 lumen brightness. It has a color and infrared night vision. It is a PTZ camera, so it can pan, tilt, 360-degree horizontal, 70-degree vertical. It has a built-in speaker and mic for audio. It is powered by AI, so it can detect humans, vehicles, pets, and more. IP65 rated with Google and Amazon Alexa voice assistant, and it only costs $219 at the time of this review. Now let's talk about build quality and installation. First, the build quality. I have to say I'm extremely impressed by the build quality of the Floodlight Cam E340. The attention to detail is top-notch. By holding the unit, you can really appreciate the material fit and finish. Eufy has definitely raised the bar when it comes to build quality with all its new product lineup. So the installation was quick, simple and easy. I was impressed by the instructions and simple setup. I replaced my backyard outdoor fixture light, including wiring clamp that makes use of existing wiring extremely easy. First, install the mounting bracket, and there are multiple mount points for different options. Mount it on the wall or hang it from the ceiling. Then just snap on the floodlight and you're done. It took me 15 minutes to install the unit, that includes attaching the wires to existing electric wires. Great job by Eufy. Once the camera is installed, the rest of the installation process can be completed using the Eufy Security app. Now let's talk about video quality and features. When it comes to features, the Floodlight Cam E340 is basically a PTZ security camera with full of great features like PTZ, 3K and 2K resolution, dual camera, 8x zoom, 2000 lumens of floodlight, and much more. The camera is powered by AI. It can detect humans, vehicles, pets with 98% accuracy, and once triggered, it follows the object for maximum coverage with 360-degree horizontal and 70-degree vertical with 135-degree field of view to cover the large area. The camera tracks movement using its massive PR motion sensor, and it does the job very well, keeping subjects in the frame as they move around different areas, which is great for large coverage. Eufy's PR sensor picks up movement up to 180 degrees, and as you can see, it uses the 10-second pre-buffer footage to capture the movement. In the following test, you can clearly see AI is able to detect human and keep tracking its movement regarding the surrounding during the daytime and nighttime. It keeps the object in the focus. This is an outstanding result. It will follow the object movement whether it's human or vehicle or pet, and you can select those options from the camera settings. The camera's 3K sensor offers multiple video capture capabilities, following other video clips capture in different resolutions. So I will play each resolution for 10 seconds. First, the 3K resolution. As you can see, it requires more bandwidth but still optimized for great compression without losing the details. Followed by 1080p, which requires less bitrate, means smaller file compared to 3K. Followed by 720p, which even requires less bitrate and even smaller files. Good news, EUFY Floodlight Cam E340 offers dual band Wi-Fi 6 connection. It allows you to take advantage of the latest Wi-Fi standard and faster Wi-Fi speeds and better signal range with latest Wi-Fi security standards, so you can have a peace of mind with industry's top-notch encryption. As mentioned before, Floodlight Cam E340 is a dual camera system. It has a 3K and 2K lens. Both combined can create up to 8x hybrid zoom and up to 50 feet of detail. You can either switch the camera into single view mode or dual view mode. Dual view show both wide and telephoto lens. Single view, you can switch between both by pressing the zoom option under the live view. There's another new great feature, and it is called Smart Patrol on your schedule. So basically you can set up 4 preset viewing positions. The camera can rotate 360 degrees to check for anything unusual activity and does so on your schedule. So basically, let your floodlight camera monitor your surroundings for you. Excellent job by Eufy. All this can be stored locally on a built-in SD card slot with 128GB max capacity. And if you use Eufy's home base, you can store up to 16 TB of total storage. The best part, there's no monthly fee required. or cloud storage to view your video clips. This is A+ in my opinion and would easily be the excellent option for the buyers compared to other security cameras which charge a monthly fee. The night vision clips are also crisp, and great IR power LEDs keep the monitoring area well detailed to capture the intruders. The floodlight turns on as soon as it detects a movement, which switches the camera into color night vision. The built-in speaker is quite loud when triggered, using the siren option to scare the intruders. The PTZ functionality and controls are easy and responsive. Overall, excellent video quality in the nighttime and daytime mode. And quick trigger of the video capture function is a top-notch. Great job by Eufy. Let's look at the Eufy Security app and setup process. Let me start by saying the app is great in my opinion. The security camera setup process was extremely easy. Just install the app and follow the instructions in the app to complete the setup. It only takes 10 minutes to complete the setup. Great job by Eufy. The app is extremely responsive with tons of settings to choose from. The main page shows you device, and on the bottom, menus like events, where you can see all your captured video clips, AI Edge, security, and explore Eufy devices. The Floodlight Cam E340 shows its Wi-Fi signals, number of alerts. Inside the cam settings, in the bottom you have record button for video capture, sound, mic, pan and tilt, and light, screenshot, night vision, AI tracking, round look, playback, and calibration settings. Click on advanced settings shows edge connection, motion detection, light settings, detect range, pan, tilt settings, and preset settings, video settings, audio settings, notifications, and general settings. You can also share your device and share your feedback. Let's go through the settings really quickly to see what are the available options. Edge connection allows you to join Edge ecosystem. Light settings shows you ambient and motion activated lights and manual light option. Motion detection allows you to select activity zone, detection type, sensitivity, and AI tracking. Detection range allows you to set range, or you can select out of view detection and test motion mode. Pan tilt settings allow you to do AI tracking, auto cruise, and calibration. Preset mode sets you default or preset locations. There are a ton of settings to choose from. Great app functionality. Great job by Eufy. Let's do the final summary. Overall, EUFY Floodlight Cam E340 is hands down the best floodlight PTZ security camera I have tested. The built and video quality of the camera is outstanding. AI functionality is excellent with 100% success rate in my experience. Floodlight Cam E340 is loaded with excellent features, an option to mount the floodlight camera with different mounting positions. The 2000 lumens brightness from the light panels alone competes with some of the best high-power floodlights. At $219, it is best bang for your buck. With the security system, you never have to pay monthly fees, charge, or replace batteries. An option to add bigger local SSD storage is A+ in my opinion. On that basis, I highly recommend you should check out Floodlight Cam E340 if you're in the market for a floodlight security camera with all the best features available in the market. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Please like and sub to the channel, that helps with YouTube algorithm. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.